Attention all researchers and graduate students. Are you tired of being limited by your local computing resources? Well, we've got great news for you. The WVU HPC clusters are here to help you take your research to the next level with their Introduction to High Performance Computing training series. But here's the best part. It's designed specifically for new users like you. That's right, no prior experience necessary. And this is the part most people miss. This training covers a wide range of topics, from high-performance computing to a unit within the WVU Research Office that provides hardware and software resources, training, and strategic guidance to support computationally intensive research. So what do you think? Are you ready to take your research to new heights? Find more information and register to attend at the link below, and don't forget to let us know in the comments what you think about high-performance computing and its role in research. Is it the future of research? Or is it just a passing trend? We want to hear from you.